Welcome to my course to learn the basics of Revit for architects and interior designers. I'm very excited you're here and diving into Revit. I used to do projects in 2D using AutoCAD, and I remember thinking to myself, there has got to be an easier way. So I did a little research and that led me to Revit, and I dove in and I have never looked back. I love what this program can do and how it can save you time and how you're producing 2D and 3D views at the same time. I'm passionate about using it to its full potential and want to relay the knowledge that I've learned over the years into this series of short videos to get you started. The great thing about Revit is it is a central 3D model, so everything you need is going to be in one place. You're going to take your model from schematic design onto design development and through construction documents. As I just mentioned, everything is in one place. So you have your floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D views, elevations, sections, any schedules, and sheets, all in one document. The greatest thing about Revit is it has bidirectional associations, meaning if you change it in floor plan, it automatically changes in elevation and vice versa. The elements in Revit, known as families, will display properly in plan, elevation, and in 3D. So let's get started.